I'm just trying to turn on my video right now.
Okay. Do you need assistance there?
No, thank you. Oh, apparently it does not want me to share. It doesn't want to share.
You can share. You've got the rights. You're now a presenter.
No, like I wanted to turn on like my camera,
Your camera.
but it says you can't. I don't understand why.
Um,
Um, it's okay. Let me just share my
use your
screen.
browser, probably.
Maybe, I don't know. Oh, that sucks. I wanted everybody to see me.
Yeah. Are you using Chrome?
Yeah.
So
Do you
there's
think
a
that's a
camera
problem?
icon at your top right, where you can disable and enable camera sharing, camera and microphone sharing. Do you see the
Okay.
icon?
Yes.
So when you click there, there's two options, an option to allow you to share and another that blocks you from sharing. So just
Okay, I'm
click
sorry,
on
but
continue allowing.
I'm not finding that option for some reason.
But your device camera works just fine, ne?
Yes.
You can just share your screen. Can you
Can I
present
just
your
share my
file?
screen? Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so in your bottom right, there's four icons, a chat icon, attendees icon, a share content icon, and the last one is settings. So if you click on share content and then under primary content, share application or screen, can you see that? Hi, Pumzile, please let me know if you can hear me. You're muted. Pumzile. Can you please just indicate in the chat if you can hear me so that I know the mic issue is okay. Now you are.
My goodness. Okay, so I
Yeah.
was trying to change like the audio and video settings, and then
Mm-hmm.
my computer just froze on me, and then it says low memory. Oh my God.
No, that's fine. Let's just try sharing your
Can I
screen, your
just share my
presentation.
passion? Yeah.
Yeah. So do you see the share content
Yes, I'm seeing
button?
share blank whiteboard, share applications, share camera, share files.
So you click share application screen, and then there's a pop-up, and then you click entire screen. So if you're using two screens, just click on the screen that you want to use and then um, click share.
Okay.
Can you
Can
see
you see?
that? Um, yes, we can see your screen. Thank you.
All right. Okay. I guess now my time is limited. Okay, hi guys. Thank you for joining this room, and I am so sorry. You know, sometimes technology, what it does to us is just terrible. I saw this yesterday, like my PC was just like, giving me the signs that, you are low on memory, and I was like, I'm gonna sort it out, but then with everything that we're doing right now is marketing season, so it's just like a lot. So I'm just going to quickly go through this how to So for those that don't know me, my name is Mello Pumzile, and I am so sorry you can see my face, but please just connect on LinkedIn and then you would see what I look like. I have videos there as well. And then even here, I'll be sharing some if it's possible. So my whole thing is I believe in student engagement. I believe in, having that amazing interaction, like with your students when you are their teacher, whether it's tertiary, whether it's primary or high school or whatever. But I have that thing that, when students are not interacting or they're not having fun or in anything that they do, like the activities that you're giving them, um let's say you're giving them content and then you say like, okay, go to this on your blackboard, I have given you this links, they lead to that. And then if they get bored on that, I believe that there's no learning that's gonna take place there. And then they would eventually just go to to Professor Chat, and then to do whatever activity that you've given them without any engagement with that content. So last year, I had the pleasure of, attending this wonderful workshop, and then they introduced us to Wakelet, and it just blew my mind. I was like, oh my God, this is perfect, because as somebody who teaches how to use technology, I'm also taking into cognizance that, the student teachers one day, they would be going out there and, they wouldn't have the financial capacity to use learning management systems such as Blackboard or even Moodle or even this other um niche rather like this learning management systems that are being used by these institutions. So I was like, okay, so what is like a cost effective um, learning management system that our teachers can use? And then when I went to this workshop and then they introduced us to Wakelet, and I was just like, this is perfect. Because with Wakelet, what it basically does, first of all, it's free, right? That's that's like the most important thing. So what is Wakelet? Wakelet is a versatile content curation tool that allows you to create collections of various content types, making learning interactive and engaging. So it's user friendly and offers like a plethora of features like for educators. Very, very important. So like, why is engagement important? Just going back a little bit, engaged students, they perform better academically. Actively, they participate in class, they retain information longer. So, okay, let's just explore how Wakelet can help us achieve, these outcomes. So first off, of course, you go to our old Professor Google, and then you just type in Wakelet. And then the first results that you would find, you just click on that, and then it will lead you to, let me just show you this one, because this one is like, it has, can you see the screen?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. So it will take you straight to the screen, right? And then it will say, tell us about you. So I tell my students that when you are registering, like when you're signing up on Wakelet, just like with like the other tools, when they're saying student, business, other, or whatever, and then there's an option for you to choose teacher or educator, you choose exactly that. Right? So you go on and then you click educator, and then it will, of course, it will make you to follow all these things, country, role, whatever, and then you just go through that. But then first off, you sign up as an educator. And then once you're done, you're going to find this. Let me just go back. Okay, so it will lead you So it will be like a blank space and whatever. And then from there, you create a collection. So far, I have two collections, and then they are like from, the classes that I've been teaching. This one is the first one that I did in 2022, and this one I did it in the first semester. So what you do is you go to create collection, right? So a collection, it will be like it's sort of like if you have like different subjects. For example, let's say you have like maths, and then this one it could be like science or whatever. So you just write there, you say science, and then here you say maths. So all of these things, you will see them when you click on create collection. So for the purpose of this, we could just say folders, right? And then, of course, automatically it saves that, and then you enter, and then you add an awesome description there. I like how they say that, like, and add an awesome description. That, like, no pressure, but it should be awesome. So you could just say symposium, and then you are live. But then that's not the end of it, right? So what does Wakelet have? What kind of apps does it have? You could go to Twitter, Flip, those that know Flip, YouTube. You could embed videos there, Google Drive, OneDrive, Adobe, and then you could also submit even PDFs. So that's pretty cool. And then, of course, in bookmarks as well. And then you could also insert images. You can upload an image or design with Canva. This one is a new feature. I absolutely love Canva. And then or if you want like a little jiffy action there, you could just like choose that, or you could just choose like from free, this free pictures and videos from Unsplash, right? Or if you want to embed in like some kind of an address from the web, you just link it there, and then you're live. And then after that, if you want to see your collections, you just click on collection. As you can see, that's photos. So now, how do you create this amazing picture here so that, when the students, they get in, they don't just see meds and then it's blank and then they're depressed out of their minds. So you just click on that, and then you say design, right? So with design, you can choose whatever, however you want to design, like, your in air quotes, your learning management system, right? So you have like compact, you have grid view, you have mood board. So it changes however you want it. So it changes. Let's just see. So as you would see down there, it changed everything. So this is when you have chosen mood board, and then it's like that, and then you find all the content here. As you can see, I've embedded like my YouTube videos from my Ideal Teacher channel on YouTube, and then these are the resources that my students have curated together, and then they've just put them in there, and then they're from Google Drive, and then the GIFs, they're there, and then so I'm looking at the time and I'm just like, oh my God, why? So all in all, Wakelet is an amazing platform, especially for teachers or incoming teachers. It could be turned into an amazing learning management system. How does it encourage engagement? Well, learners, your students, they could collaborate on this. As you can see, when you're sharing the button, you can either you could say no access, or whoever has the link can just view, or whoever has the link can add. As you can see, some of the students, they decided to be anonymous. So it also has like that option that whoever who's contributing to this whole project that you have here, or your learning management system, or whatever your subject, it could be anonymous, or it could have names and whatever. So they decide on that. And then you could share the link as a QR code on Teams, or you could use, Google Classroom, or just copy the link and then share it wherever. So yeah, I think I think I I rushed through it, but I think I did something there, did I not? Oh, and also before I leave, I last night I saw this amazing thing. I don't know if you guys know it. It's called WePick. So WePick, what it does is you could literally generate an AI presentation, like your slides. So you could AI generate like slides, or it has an AI writer as well. So you click on the slide and then you let the AI to write for you and whatever. So I just thought it was like some important information to share, because I feel like, it saves time, So I found it last night and I was like, I have to share this. So so let me just stop sharing now, and then leave room for any questions if there's still time. I don't think so.
Thank you
I
so
am
much,
so
Pumzile. There is a comment in the chat. Voni says, could you share the AI Praise Slide Creator website with us, please?
Oh yes, yes. I mean, that was the whole point, of me, sharing this with you. Like, oh my gosh, I need to share this with, my colleagues tomorrow. I just need to stop sharing now. How do I do that? Help.
Um, let's see.
Oh, stop sharing. Sorry.